What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Have a little surprise for you. I had some time on my hands today, so I decided to refreshen up the engine bay, clean up a little things here and there, and I think it came out pretty good. My fuel pump should be here today or tomorrow, along with the throttle linkage, so should have another upload after this one on the vehicle restarting back up and actually running and staying running. So see you guys in a couple seconds. I'm going to show you guys some before pictures and some after pictures along with the video of what I did today on the refresh. And here we go for my engine bay reveal. Boom! I think it looks awesome compared to what it looked like before. Before, there was dirt, grime, you name it, everywhere. The paint was all faded out on the strut towers, on the strut brace, on the shock towers, the firewall. The valve covers were horrendous. They were all rusted out and paint was chipping completely. The intake manifold was all full of grease and all faded out. I degreased it and painted it black, along with the block down below. Degreased it, painted it black. Did all the accessories like the power steering all black, all black. Just painted everything all black to touch it up, just to clean it up a bit. I chromed out all the handles on all the accessories also, just to give it a little bit of a pop. And I think I did a phenomenal job for me, literally not taking not one piece off the car. Just did it by freehand, took my time, and it came out pretty good for, me just doing it quickly here in my garage. Let me know what you guys think, whether if I'm getting a thumbs up or a thumbs down on this job, but I think it looks 10 times better. And hopefully tomorrow my fuel pump and my throttle linkage adapter should be here, so I'll be doing an install video on that, and then I'm going to fire her right up. She did start before. She only ran for like 20 seconds, but with the new fuel pump she should be good. And stay tuned for some more content. If you guys do like, please feel free to subscribe and share with others, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.